Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this RS key fob. This is out of RS3, but any fob that looks like this is going to be a similar process. You're going to need a 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've included a link below in the description. I'm going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. You can also use this mechanical key, but I find the screwdriver to be a little bit easier. First thing you want to do is press this silver button right here and pull your mechanical key out. Now you want to take a look. So this piece right here is what's coming off, and you want to look inside of here. It's hard to see, but there's either going to be a latch in the middle if you have a US fob, or it's going to be on either side if you have a foreign fob. So what you want to do is take your screwdriver and just go in about that much and just give it a pry. You can see that back hatch popped up a little bit. Just go ahead and remove the hatch. Then you want to stick your screwdriver right here, pop out the dead battery. Take your old battery out, the new one is installed positive side facing upward. As you're reinstalling this, insert those two clips, press down there, and put your mechanical key back in. You can test to make sure you got your red light there, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.